Daddy's on camera right here, and guess what? This camera can also see you. Okay?
Okay.
And we're gonna go to the watershed, the Frederick watershed. It's a very tame trail. Okay? And Kate, guess what? This is gonna be your first time off-road, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is your first time off-roading in any car or truck or vehicle at all, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So hold on, I gotta figure out where we're going.
Head west on Mountaindale Road toward Bethel Road.
Okay, we're getting there, baby.
Continue on Mountaindale Road for 1 mile.
All right. Do you want any coffee?
No,
Okay.
I just have juice.
You have juice, right? All right, Kate. So what's going on today is we're gonna go to the Frederick watershed, okay? It is just a little off-roading trail, very, I'd say, easy to extremely easy, but still fun, okay?
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, Kate, what's your favorite color?
Red.
Red?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's your favorite character in Frozen?
Blue.
Blue? Okay. Who do you like better, Anna or Elsa?
Elsa.
Elsa, okay.
Anna's better.
Anna's better?
Yeah.
Anna's better today, okay. Kate, what do you like better, macaroni and cheese or French fries?
Elsa.
Turn left to
Elsa,
stay on Mountaindale.
okay. Yeah, let's remember she's 2.5. She looks a little bigger than 2.5, but she's not.
So, Daddy.
Yes, baby.
We go to
We're gonna go off-roading, yeah. Frederick watershed.
watershed.
What did you say?
Watershed.
Watershed.
We go to watershed.
Yep, Frederick watershed. And we come down this windy road to get there.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think we're almost there. Oh, yep, we're here. It says you are now entering the municipal forest of the city of Frederick, a protected watershed. Okay, you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, we're gonna go up here. So Kate, this is your first time off-roading. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Is it bumpy?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you think? It's just a gravel road, but you've never even, I don't think you've ever been on a gravel road.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, is it bumpy? Is it like, which is better, this or the playground?
We'll play.
Playground, yeah, I get you. Is it a beautiful day?
Yeah.
Is it beautiful or lovely?
Well,
It's a lovely day.
it's a long
Yeah. So look, do you see all the forest and the trees, baby?
day. Yeah.
Do you want me to put down your window a little bit?
Yeah.
Here, let's do this. Tell me if you get cold, okay?
Oh, what is it?
Is it? We're in the forest. Is that fun? Oh God.
What's that?
Your head is shaking. That's right. Is it shaking? It's cool back here, huh? Oh, I think she likes it. Whoa. What do you think? Okay, I think it's safe to say she likes it. Oh, 2 bumps. Oh, big bump. Oh, we got a tree branch right here. Do you see that big tree branch? It's down over there. I think she likes it, and we're only on gravel.
What's this for, Daddy?
What'd you say?
It's just like what?
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the watershed. It's just kind of cool, just, you know, something you can kind of come out here and just kind of play around. It's neat, but it's in the forest, and as I always say, man, I don't care if it's hard or easy, it's always cool to be in the forest, right, Kate?
Yeah.
Right, yeah. Whoa, bumpy. Oh, I like this little spot. We're gonna take some pictures here. Okay? You wanna do that? This is a cool little spot to kind of back into here. All right, we'll be back. Yes, that is an Elsa costume.
I'm Elsa.
You sure are. Okay. Hey, Kate, what did you think of that little area? What did you think of that? Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you run around like crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got cold because you took your jacket off and wouldn't let me put it back on you, right?
Yeah.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like off-roading? Or how much do you like trailing? 10, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally 10. Totally 10. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Can you do a countdown? 3, 2, 1. No, can you do it?
1.
No, go 3, 2, 1. Okay, do this. Go 1, 2, 3, go.
4.
No, say 1, 2, 3, go. Can you do that?
1, 2, 3, go.
Woo! Here we go. There we go. We're going, baby. We're going up this hill.
Okay.
Woo! What do you think of the forest? Oh, no. Okay, I guess you like it. I guess you like the forest. So she loves girly stuff, like being in her Elsa costume 24/7, but she loves the great outdoors. What a cool combo, right, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that?
What's what?
What's that sound?
That's Dada.
You make a sound.
I was making sounds, yeah.
Do it again. No, we have neighbors.
We have neighbors? Yeah, you're right. But not right now, because we're in the great outdoors, right?
Yeah.
Right. All right, baby. So what did you think of the trail? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
All right, can you say bye to everybody? Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
And then can you say, this is Kate with Trail Grid Pro.
This is the Kato Trail
Trail Grid Pro.
TRD Pro.
I love it. Knuckles. Yeah, my girl. I love you.
I love you, Daddy.
Yeah, okay.